Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating topic that often goes unnoticed: the bizarre factors that secretly influence how attractive we appear to others. From the subconscious to the surprising, we'll uncover 20 bizarre factors that secretly influence your attractiveness. Get ready for some eye-opening insights into the complex world of human perception. Segment 1: Symmetry. Did you know that symmetry plays a significant role in attractiveness? Our brains are wired to prefer symmetrical faces and bodies, as they're often seen as a sign of good health and genetic fitness. Segment 2: Voice pitch. Your voice pitch can subconsciously influence how others perceive you. Studies suggest that a lower pitch in men and a slightly higher pitch in women can be more appealing. Segment 3: Color of clothing. The color of your clothing can impact your attractiveness. Certain colors evoke emotions and associations that affect how others see you. For instance, red is often associated with passion and confidence. Segment 4: Wearing glasses. If you wear glasses, here's some good news. Studies have shown that people who wear glasses are often perceived as more intelligent and sophisticated. Segment 5: Smiling. A genuine smile can go a long way in making you more attractive. It's a universal sign of warmth and approachability that transcends cultures. Segment 6: Scent. Believe it or not, your scent can influence how attractive you are to others. A pleasant fragrance can create positive associations and enhance your overall appeal. Segment 7: Sense of humor. Having a good sense of humor can make you instantly more attractive. Laughter triggers feelings of happiness and comfort, which can create a strong connection with others. Segment 8: Kindness. Acts of kindness and compassion can enhance your attractiveness. Being caring and considerate towards others signals emotional maturity and a desirable character. Segment 9: Posture. Your posture can say a lot about you. Standing tall with an open posture signals confidence, which can significantly boost your attractiveness. Segment 10: Hair length. Surprisingly, hair length can influence perceptions of attractiveness. Some studies suggest that medium-length hair is often considered the most appealing. Segment 11: Dancing skills. If you've got some dance moves, you're in luck. Dancing skills are often associated with vitality and confidence, making you more attractive on the dance floor and beyond. Segment 12: Eye contact. Maintaining steady eye contact can enhance your allure. It's a nonverbal cue that conveys confidence and genuine interest in the person you're engaging with. Segment 13: Familiarity. The mere exposure effect suggests that we tend to like things we're familiar with. Spending time around someone can make them more attractive to us over time. Segment 14: High-pitched laughter. Surprisingly, a high-pitched laughter can make women more attractive to men. It signals femininity and warmth, which are qualities many find appealing. Segment 15: Height. Height can play a role in attractiveness. Studies show that taller individuals are often perceived as more confident and dominant. Segment 16: Music taste. Your taste in music can reveal aspects of your personality. Sharing similar musical preferences can create a sense of connection and enhance your appeal. Segment 17: Jewelry. The right jewelry can add a touch of elegance and intrigue. Subtle accessories can draw attention and make you appear more sophisticated. Segment 18: Mannerisms. Small mannerisms, like the way you use your hands while talking, can influence how others perceive you. Confident gestures can make you more captivating. Segment 19: Pets. Having a pet can make you more attractive to potential partners. Pets often symbolize responsibility and empathy, qualities that many find appealing. Segment 20: Uniqueness. Embracing your unique qualities can set you apart and make you more captivating. Remember, it's your individuality that makes you truly attractive. And there you have it, 20 bizarre factors that secretly influence your attractiveness. Who would have thought that these quirky elements could impact how others perceive us? If you found these insights as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more mind-boggling content. Until next time, keep shining and let your captivating qualities light up the world. Stay curious.